Hey everybody, it's Teresa. Welcome to my channel. I have my Adornable Elements Beads of the Month Club that I have received for the month of December 2025 to share with you all today, along with their Findings Companion Pack and their Crystals Companion Pack. Adornable Elements has 6 different clubs that you can sign up for. They have the Miyuki 11 Delica Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I have this time. And then they have the Miyuki 11 Seed Beads. They have the Gemstone Beads of the Month Club, the Fire Polished Beads of the Month Club, the Hot and Trendy Beads of the Month Club, and the 2-Hole Beads of the Month Club. And that way you can subscribe to whichever club best suits the type of beading you like to do or the type of beads you prefer working with. And then they also have the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get. And in that club, they rotate you through each club 1 month at a time. They also have 2 different sizes in their clubs. They have the single club and the double club. I get the double club. It's just like the single club. You just get twice as many beads in the double club. And then they have their Findings Companion Pack and their Crystals Companion Pack. They're both add-ons that you can get in addition to your club subscription for an additional cost, but there wouldn't be any additional cost to ship because it would be shipped with your club subscription. If you're an international customer, you'd need to contact their customer service about the cost of shipping to your particular country. The crystals in the Crystals Companion Pack, sometimes they're Swarovski, and it looks like 2 of mine are this time. They've got the little S bound there. But if they're not Swarovski, they're extremely high quality and beautiful Austrian crystals. And then the Findings in the Findings Companion Pack are really, really beautiful, high quality and unique findings. And they're in a different finish each month, so it's a great way to build up your stash of high quality findings. Looks like mine are copper this time. It's the bright copper. Really pretty. You'll also get a code on the bottom left of your invoice to enter into your web browser to get access to their free pattern page. It's 3 free patterns each month, and it's in PDF form, so you can download it and save it to your computer. Of course, you could print it out if you'd rather do that. I have a coupon code. It's Teresa10, and I'll put it on the screen here and in the description box below, along with a link to their website where you can check it out and sign up for any of their clubs if you're interested. The code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you subscribe to. And if you decide to subscribe to the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. So I'm going to open my crystals first and see what we've got in here. They'll be beautiful. They always are. So hold on. I'll take them out and get them in some little dishes. Okay, I've got my crystals sorted out now. And the first one I have here is a 34mm crystal copper coral pendant. And this one is a Swarovski. Really, really pretty. It's got the hole in the top like that. It's a really beautiful pendant. And then next, these are not Swarovski, but they're, like I said, Austrian crystals. They're 6mm scarlet bicones. There are 12 of them. Those are beautiful. Such a beautiful color of red. And then I have, these are Swarovski. There are 28 of them, and they're 4mm Ceylon Topaz round beads. There we go. Oh, they're beautiful. Really, really pretty. And that's everything in my crystals companion pack. And now I'm going to open my findings, my copper findings. So hold on, I'll get these all sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, I've got my findings sorted out now. And first I have 2 silicone lined bead keepers. So they've got the little silicone inside there. So I guess you could put them on your bead string wire or leather or whatever you want to put them on, and it would stop the beads from going through. You could stop them on whatever kind of stringy material you wanted to put them on. Those are really pretty. Keep your beads in place. That's really cool. And then next I have 2 pairs of double ball ear wires with the backs. They have little rubber backs in there. And I have never had, nor have I seen, ear wires with 2 little balls on them like that. That's really cool. Really pretty. Like I said, we always get unique findings in these findings companion packs. They're really, really cool. So there's 2 pairs of those. And then a 5-leaf branch focal. That's really pretty. That would be the back. I think it's flatter. That would be the front. Really, really pretty. And then next I have a lobster clasp with a swivel. So the little bottom of it swivels. Those are really neat. And then next, I have 2 self-closing hook clasps. I've never seen these either. You would just push that little piece in there and hook it onto your jump ring or whatever you're closing it onto, and then it would just go back. That's really neat. I've never seen that before. There's 2 of those. Really cool. And then I have 10 flower bead caps. These are really pretty. Go on some bigger beads, I guess. They're really, really pretty. There's 10 of those. And then 5 19 gauge 6mm square wire jump rings. So these are jump rings not made with round wire, but made with square wire. You can see that there. That's really cool. Again, I've never had any of these either. Those are really cool. And then last are 4 daisy head pins. They're 2.5 inches and they're 22 gauge. Got little daisies on the end of them there. They're really pretty. And that's everything in my findings companion pack. So now I'm going to look at my Delicas here. It says Winter Spirit. Oh my goodness, those are so pretty. Pretty blues and silvers. So hold on, I'll get these all sorted out and I'll be back. Okay, first in my Delicas, I have silver lined crystal. And I just put about half of the little box in there. Silver lined crystal. Really, really pretty. Next I have silver lined cobalt. Really beautiful shade of blue. Next is cobalt lined sapphire AB. It's really beautiful. Next is matte opaque cobalt luster. Really pretty matte blue to go with all these shiny blues. Matte opaque cobalt luster. Next is dyed semi-frosted silver lined dark blue violet. There's a lot going on with that bead. Dyed semi-frosted silver lined dark blue violet. Really, really pretty. Next is matte opaque cobalt. Really, really pretty dark blue. Next is silver lined gray mist. It's really, really pretty. And then the last one here is Duracoat galvanized light pewter. A little bit darker gray than these other two, or darker silver. And that's all of my Delicas that I got. So hold on, I'll get everything together in one picture and I'll be back. Okay, there's everything that came in my December 2025 Adorable Elements Beads of the Month Club. This month I got the Miyuki 11.0 Delica beads and my Findings Companion Pack and my Crystals Companion Pack. These are some really beautiful beads and findings. They always are. They're just amazing. Like I said, if you decide you want to sign up for any of their clubs, that coupon code will save you 10% off the first month of whichever club or clubs you decide to sign up for. And if you decide you want to sign up for the Rotating Beads of the Month Club, which is the one that I get, and you use my code, they'll put you on the same rotation that I'm on, which means you'll get the same collection of beads that I do every month. I also got 2 of their little bags of gold that they offer every year. These are little grab bags that they offer every year. I think in the October shipment they put a little paper in there and tell you that you can get some of these if you want. And I wanted to get they're $10 each, and there's way more than $10 worth of beads in these little bags. But I'm going to open them on a separate video, see what's in there. I hope you all have enjoyed this video. As always, thank you so much for joining me today. I really appreciate those of you who have subscribed to my channel and watched my videos and liked and commented on my videos. I have a website where I sell my jewelry and some grab bags of extra beads that I have. It's Teresa's Handmade Jewelry, and I'll put a link to it in the description box below in case you're interested. If you haven't, I'd really love it if you'd subscribe and hit the notification bell so you're notified when I upload a new video. So until next time, I hope y'all have a great day. Take care.